Are endless spreadsheets and tedious data entry consuming your valuable time and resources? It's time for a change. In today's business world, workflow automation is not a luxury. It's a vital necessity for success. Imagine streamlining your operations and freeing up your team to unleash their true potential and creativity. Are you caught in a cycle of inefficiency, making costly errors with manual tasks? You're not alone. Meet Mobile2b, the German-engineered solution that empowers businesses to optimize and digitize their operations effortlessly. With Mobile2b's workflow management platform, watch your processes flow smoothly without manual intervention or errors. Say goodbye to paper-based tasks and embrace the future with real-time insights and custom reports at your fingertips. The no-code approach of Mobile2b empowers your team to create tailored workflows and collaborate seamlessly without coding expertise. Over 10,000 users, including industry giants like Mercedes-Benz and Audi, trust Mobile2b for their automation needs. Don't let outdated processes hold your business back. Transform your operations today and unlock unprecedented efficiency.